Hello, hello everyone. We are back. I'm just patrolling onto my shamba. As you can see, my fellow, these are the effect of the hailstones. Last time I showed you how the storm came. It just destroyed a lot of bananas. You can see how the leaves are. You can see how the fruits are. But we thank God. These are how bananas are made, guys. This is where they come from. Na sasa we are here. As you can see, the shamba is not in good condition. Something serious should be done, and that's what is being considered here again. It needs to be plowed. We need to uproot these weeds and plant new banana trees, banana plants. We have to plant new trunks so that we can keep it going, can keep the shamba going. These are the effect of the hailstones. The stones came, destroyed, but you can see the shamba is so fruitful. Soon we're gonna start plowing this shamba, and it will be very clean, and it is so much profitable. As you can see, it bears a big bananas, and they are so healthy.